Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing essential oils that smell like Christmas trees. A reminder before we start this video, I have my Stan store now open and I have different guides on specific essential oil things that you might need help with. So think hormones and essential oils. I go over everything about hormones and how you can help support them with lifestyle tips, supplements, essential oils, different things. Check that out and let me know if you want me to add anything to that. There's also a new Christmas tree or Christmas diffuser blend freebie in my store as well. This is for everyone that wants the smell of a real tree, but has a fake tree or an artificial tree, or for some reason just can't get a real tree. You can diffuse or put all of these essential oils like on little pine cones or little passive diffusers and put them around your tree. There are different ways you can just add drops directly to the tree. There are lots of different ways to use them, but I have a list. I think it's of 5 essential oils, and there are a lot more. This is just a small list of essential oils that you can use to make your home smell like a real tree. The first one is Revive Douglas Fir Essential Oil. This one is the essence of fresh evergreen forest and can be used in a diffuser or added to DIY holiday themed candles and potpourri. Potpourri is a big one. You can also make those ornaments that Simply Earth has had in their DIY boxes, but it's just like a clay, or basically a clay ornament that you hang on the tree, and you can put drops of essential oil on that too. Number 2 is Simply Earth's Pine Essential Oil. This one smells just like a Christmas tree. Pine essential oil can be diffused using room sprays. You can even add these essential oils to your cleaning products during the holiday season, and so once you clean, your house just smells Christmas tree fresh. But pine is strong and refreshing. Number 3 is Plant Therapy's Balsam Fir Essential Oil. This one is derived from the needles of the balsam fir tree. It's rich, earthy, with sweet undertones, reminiscent of a freshly cut Christmas tree. So you can also diffuse or use in DIY air fresheners around the house during the holiday season. Number 4, are we on number 4? Wait, I have more than 5. This is... There's 7. And which one did I just do? Number 4, sorry. This is a list of 7, not 5. I got confused. Number 4 is Rocky Mountain Spruce Essential Oil. This one, it captures the essence of dense evergreen forest. It's woody, invigorating. All of these essential oils are invigorating to me. Like tree oils are just like something else. Use this one in a diffuser, a massage oil, or homemade candles. Simply Earth also has a homemade or a DIY candle making kit that makes it super easy. It's beeswax, but anything that you use to make natural candles, you can add any of these essential oils to. Next is Eden's Garden Fir Needle Siberian. This is an essential oil great for adding the touch of the great outdoors, derived from the needles of the evergreen tree. Fir needle is extracted through a steam distillation process, and it pairs well with other essential oils like lavender, spruce, eucalyptus, rosemary, and so you can make a diffuser blend with these oils as well instead of just using them on their own. Next essential oil is Jade Bloom's White Spruce. This one is clarifying and purifying, and a lot of these essential oils have the constituents that are going to help with congestion and clearing, so really great for this season in that way as well. And then the last essential oil is Mountain Rose Herbs Black Spruce Essential Oil. This one is good for capturing the essence of a Christmas tree with fresh and woodsy aroma. So great for perfumes, candles, DIY products, cleaning products. Then also in this blog post, which will be linked down below, I have at the end a list of other Christmas inspired essential oil blends, so by the same brands but just different blends, like Christmas Wreath from Revive, Holiday Season, Candy Cane, Christmas Cabin, like a bunch of different amazing smelling oils to diffuse during this time of year. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope this was helpful in making your home smell like a Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye. But check that out. Let me know if you want